The world's largest source of recycled steel doesn't come from underground mines. Can you guess where it begins? From the auto recycling industry, often called the car's second gateway. Every year, millions of vehicles meet their end, only to be reborn as raw materials for the future. In the United States alone, over 12 million cars are dismantled and recycled annually. Each one contributes to a cycle that powers construction, manufacturing, and transportation. What seems like the end of a car's journey is actually the start of something bigger. The hidden value of end-of-life cars. When you buy a car for $50,000, you rarely think about its final chapter. After 10 years on the road, that machine still holds hidden value. Metal, electronics, glass, plastics, and thousands of reusable components. Behind this transformation lies a $60 billion industry, where old vehicles are dismantled, crushed, and reborn. It's not just recycling. It's a second economy built on efficiency, precision, and sustainability. If iron ore is a natural mine, then end-of-life cars are artificial mines without limits. Each cycle saves up to 74% of the energy compared to producing new steel from raw ore. On average, 75% of a car's weight is recoverable. That means millions of tons of material are reborn every year, as buildings, bridges, and even new vehicles. Vehicle intake and inspection. Every journey begins at the intake zone. Old cars arrive on trucks, trailers, and tow beds. Here, each vehicle is scanned, recorded, and tagged. Technicians log the VIN, engine code, and build year. They photograph every angle and upload the data to a central tracking system. This step ensures that every component can be traced, analyzed, and reused. It's the digital backbone of a process that leaves nothing to chance. Inspectors look for valuable parts, engines, transmissions, electronic modules, interior systems, and airbags. Reusable components enter a global resale market worth billions of dollars. Heavily damaged or worn-out vehicles, on the other hand, head straight to dismantling, where their second life begins. Battery removal and fluid drainage. The first task? Make it safe. The battery is removed immediately, one of the most dangerous elements in a car. Lead-acid batteries reach a 98% recycling rate. Even the sulfuric acid inside is recovered and reused for new batteries. Hybrid and electric vehicles require extra care. Technicians isolate the lithium-ion packs, secure them in protective cases, and ship them to specialized facilities. Only then can dismantling continue. Next comes fluid extraction. Fuel, oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission oil, all carefully drained under vacuum pressure. A single vehicle can still hold several gallons of flammable liquid. Every drop is captured, filtered, and stored. Nothing is wasted. Much of the recovered fuel powers forklifts, cranes, and compressors within the plant. The rest is refined and reused. Sensors monitor the pressure and seal every line, ensuring zero leakage and full safety. Vehicle dismantling. Now, the real work begins. The car is lifted onto a steel platform secured by heavy hydraulic clamps. Wheels and tires come off first. Tires are shredded into rubber granules used for roads, playgrounds, and industrial fuel. Rims go straight to smelters, pure steel and aluminum. Next, technicians remove glass panels, windshields, doors, windows. Laminated glass is separated, and the PVB safety layer is recovered for use in insulation and soundproofing materials. Doors and interiors follow. Seats, dashboards, carpets, all carefully sorted. Electric motors, wiring, and sensors are stripped for copper, magnets, and plastic recovery. Then comes the heart of the vehicle, the engine and transmission. Some are refurbished and sold. Others are dismantled for raw materials, aluminum, steel, and precious metals from catalytic converters. Piece by piece, the car loses its identity. What remains is pure, organized material ready for the next stage, the mechanical cleanup. Rough processing and cleaning. Here, massive hydraulic shears rip through what's left. With tens of tons of force, steel jaws tear away exhausts, crush radiators, and shred bulky panels. Plastic, foam, and non-metallic debris are discarded instantly. The result? A clean metallic shell, ready to be compacted, crushed, and transformed into the raw essence of steel. From a functional car to stripped metal skeleton, this is where the road truly ends, and the rebirth of steel begins.